Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Jeep Commander CRD. Stock reference number 4622. This shape runs from the 5th month 2006 through to the 3rd month 2010. There's a MO6Y 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. MO6Y 3 litre V6 petrol engine, turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left hand corner lamp. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. It's got the left hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar. Park sensor type. Tow bar factory supplied with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Non-camera type. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Grey vinyl centre console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Standard heated controls. Factory 6-stack CD player. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.